Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use environment maps for your scene background in ThreeJS. So let's get started. Firstly, I have created a simple project using HTML, CSS and TypeScript using Vite, and inside my package.json I have installed two dependency. One is 3, which is for ThreeJS, and in dev dependency I have added @type/3. Then here inside the public folder I have added this Draco, which contains all the dependencies. Then this environment maps. So Draco, like this is just a ignore this Draco for now. Here you can, inside the public folder, you can add different environment maps which you want. So here you can see, like, you can have different environment maps where you can have an HDR image, and you have this NX, NY, NZ, PX, PY and PZ, something like this. Then here I will show you this flight helmet GLTF model which I have shown previously. You can take whatever GLTF model you want. You can download it from GitHub. And here also I have some textures for environment maps. So this one, so I will show it to you for different environment textures. You can use it whatever you feel like. Here you can see, like, if I just minimize this, I have this HDR, then this EXR as well. So you can find this online. Just search for environment maps. I will show it to you. For, like, there are different environment maps extension. So depending on which environment map you are using, you will have to use the appropriate loader. So let's get started. So firstly, inside my index.html I have this canvas element of id canvas. Style position is fixed, top left is 0, outline is none, and here I have included one script tag of main.ts. So if I go to main.ts, here you can see these are all the imports which you can just copy paste it. Okay, and here I have also added, so there are two GLTF loaders. I will just delete one of those, and two Draco loaders as well. I will delete one of those. So here these are all the imports which you can use. Okay, then we are firstly getting hold of our canvas. We are creating a scene. Here I have created different types of loaders which we will require. You don't have to create all of this. Just select whatever one you will actually require depending on your environment map. I will tell you which one uses which one. And here you can see I'm just loading the flight helmet GLTF model. Ignore all these comments for now. I'll come back to that. Here I have created an ambient light, directional light. Here we have created our camera, our orbit controls as well. Here we are just using the renderer, setting size. On resize we are just updating our camera as well as our renderer, and double click we just enter or exit full screen, and on tick we just update our control as well as our renderer. So if you see the output, currently the output is something like this. Okay, now I'll go back to environment map. So herely, so suppose if you have something like this NX, PX, and NYPY and NZPZ, something like this environment map, you can use the cube texture loader and load something like this. And if I save it, here you can see this is how the output looks like. You can change the intensity, blurriness, background intensity, rotation as well, but I'll keep it same for now. Next is using the HDR. So you can use something like RGB loader, and you can use it something like this. And now if you see, the output is the same, but you can use HDR image using the RGB loader. Okay, so I'll just comment this out. Then similarly, if you have downloaded an HDR image from Blender as well, Blender is a popular open source 3D modeling software. So from that you can create your own environment and download it. So the code is more or less it is exactly the same which I have used it over here. So just wanted to show you. So here you can see the background is pretty terrible, but anyways the light is getting emitted on our model. That's what I wanted to show. Okay, so this is for HDR. The next one is EXR. So suppose you have an environment map which is in EXR format, then you will have to use the EXR loader.load, and you just have to do this. And here you can see this is the output. Okay, then there is, suppose you have a normal jpg image for environment map, then you can just use texture loader dot load, and you can use something like this, and here is the output. So as you can see, you can use a normal jpg image as well, and I'll just comment it. And again, this is for hdr. So suppose for hdr, if you wanted a skybox, you can use this grounded skybox as well and pass your environment map. I'm not really sure how this is really different from the one which we have over here, but anyways, in case if you want to experiment, just wanted to show it to you as well. So yeah, here I mean the only difference is our model is on the floor. That's what I understood, but in case if I'm wrong, do let me know in the comments. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.